Alright, sup guys, today I'm gonna be trading my Goldie hair. Yep, you heard me, Goldie hair. Dot. Just kidding, it's April, so I'll say April Fools! Today I will be voice acting. It's Undertale comic dub, so I hope you're an Undertale fan. So yeah, be right back. Hey, you, wanna go drink?
Not unless my lord allows me to.
Wow, someone's whip.
Red.
Yes, boss?
Snarl. Got that right? Yeah.
Wake up running.
Well, that's going to give me nightmares.
Fire!
What the? Nah.
Hey, check it out.
Track.
It's a palm tree.
That doesn't hurt.
You haven't tried it? Check it out. If it's too far away from me.
Crack.
His middle finger. Wait, no! Rip in peace, my middle finger. Oh my god, I will miss you, baby.
Yeah, my lord. So you threw Red's middle finger off into the forest?
So?
I can't get mad when he's so damn short and cute.
What did you say? I'll flip and dust you.
Dust me? Like you can. Aw, see? Adorable.
Ugh. This fucking flagpole is pissing me off. I'm going to drink.
Flagpole, what?
I would call you a lamppost. But you're not fucking bright, are you?
Oh, you little bastard.
So, oh great.
That's your papyrus?
Yes, that's my brother.
Huh.
What?
I thought your stand would have been
Don't.
higher. You piece of shit.
I wouldn't brag about being taller if I was you. You're bigger than me. That makes you an easier target. Do you think you can dodge as easily as I can?
Oh, how? Can't insult me, so you're resorting to threats?
I could throw anything and hit you anyway. But I'm surprised. I didn't know they'd stack shit that high.
Yeah, ha.
Good one. Okay, so we should stack the boulders on the back of the couch first.
Yeah.
Then move into the table, then the TV.
How do you win these games?
Dunno.
First one to pass out loses?
Huh?
Guess we should step in.
Yeah, I guess so. Grr. Huh? Okay, that's enough fighting.
You're trashing the house.
Telling me what to do? Well, I think it's time you got lost, you trash bag. Get off of me!
And sounds flash before his eyes. Yet there was something to it. It was so short. You fucker!
Ugh.
Let's leave them to sort it out. We can't stop them. We can't stop them from fighting.
Your bro is like that too, huh?
Ding, drum, drum. Did they leave?
Seriously? Did you see that? How he backed off? He didn't even try to stop me. Ugh.
Yeah. He didn't fight back when I shoved him too.
It's so frustrating. It doesn't matter how many fights I pick, he doesn't seem to care how risky it is.
I never step in unless something or someone else could get hurt,
right? And if I'm mean to him, he doesn't care. Like a brick wall. But if I'm nice, he doesn't get it. Look.
It lost all its bubbles.
So, you're drunk, just drink it.
But it's better with the bubbles. It is so depressing.
Thanks, bud, bro. You guys owe some money to the spider bake sale.
So Goldie runs the bar in your world?
Yeah, I haven't heard of this,
Nothing.
Yeah, what's Grilby do in this world?
He lives in Hotland. I heard he makes some mean fries.
Huh.
So I haven't been there for a long time.
The Hotland are dangerous since it's crowded. Same deal in my world. I wonder if those two are done fighting. What the? Look what I found.
You look stupid. Get rid of it.
Nah, it's mine now. We should turn everything upside down.
Oh?
Yeah, but I can't figure out if we turn the table upside down but keep anything on the top right up. Or we put them underneath the table. I don't think the patriarch would like being under a table.
Hey! Eat your dinner before it's cold.
It gets... Oh no! My dinner is too cool to eat.
Ay! I can't believe you threw Red's finger into the forest.
I'm impressed, but he deserves it.
Why? Look at me, funny. You look funny.
Okay, in my defense, You two appeared out of nowhere. And you're kind of scary.
Oh, thank you.
Shut up. You know, those attack you used earlier, I couldn't tell if you intended to kill me or not.
Of course not. I've been training since I was this small. My attacks are flawless.
Oh,
Well, I was training since I was this small. Ugh. What?
I'm wondering how you got your head that far up your ass. That's all.
Alright. I guess we should head back now, see if they dusted each other. Or destroy the house.
There's no way Boss lost to your sands.
Oh, seems so sure of that. Do you want to make a bet?
Okay. What does the winner get?
Let's bring home some bottles. Something expensive.
Yeah?
And the loser pays for the tab.
Ouch! I feel bad for your wallet.
You should be worried about yours.
I'm sure Boss kicked your brother ass.
Hey, your universe. It's SF, right? What does that stand for?
You should know it's what? Short fell, right?
Grrr. No. There's no way that you could stand up to me.
Damn it. I don't have a comeback for that. That's a good one.
Thank you. So, the TV, couch, and table are upside down. But those bottles,
they're just bottles. What a big deal.
How can you not see how much this annoys me?
Well, you're the taller one. How the hell am I supposed to do?
So proud.
We could stick them up to the ceiling.
That's stupid.
Let's do it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got. Whoa.
Hey. Yes, at least we didn't spill any.
If we drop it, we'll have to hop back for more. Boss would have hated that pun.
Same with my lord.
What?
I bet you get angry all the times. Because you have a short fuse.
Well, you have something worse.
Oh?
Your personality. Oh, did I hurt your feelings?
I can't hear you. I'm at your toilet grate.
You're on the floor. Oh, poor thing. There. Come here. Hugs. I've got you.
You're mocking me, aren't you?
Tell me all about it.
You're an asshole. Shh. Are you trying to rip my head off?
No. But turn your head this way a bit more.
Get off.
Well,
the house is intact.
Let's see the damage. What the hell? Huh. I expected the stair to be upside down as well.
My lord! With that
Thing? What the hell?
I should dust him, but that would make my lord sad. He deserves someone better than that.
I ship it. Well, this is enough for me today.